Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how to recover your Google account or Gmail account just following these steps. So you probably have another email that your Google account is attached to. So when you recover the password, that will appear on that other device. So what you do is go inside Google or Gmail and write down your email account. And next, when you're done with it, and write down the password, and it could be a wrong password. You just have to try for multiple times. It's a wrong password, write it again and click on next, and you want to try it once more, and it will take you to the recovery option, and here you have another email that your account is attached. Get the code and paste it in here, and it will process the code and it automatically will recover your account. So this is a very quick and easy steps on how you can recover your Google account. So it probably you can follow these steps on your cell phone, you can follow these steps on your computer. So this is a very quick and easy method on how you can recover your Google account. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We will catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.